vlog. My name is Deanna. If you're new here, please make sure you're subscribed. Follow me on Instagram. The link is always down in the description. So I'm with Maddie and Allie.
Hi.
And we're going on a walk. We like to get in about like 10,000 steps or more. Yesterday we did what, 5 miles?
Yeah.
And the day before we did 7. Woo. So yeah, we're gonna do this walk. And then I'm gonna do my butt workout. And maybe I'll show you guys some of that. And then what else? I guess I'm just gonna make this like a weekend in my life vlog because we have some fun things that we're doing. Weekend in the queue. Because we have some fun things that we have planned for this weekend. And I'll just take you guys along with us. So let's get on with the vlog. Hi guys, just got back from my friend's pool and we laid out. I picked up a few groceries after, and it's Saturday. I really did awful at vlogging today. I was supposed to vlog her pool and everything, but yeah, we're gonna make like a nice healthy Mexican dinner. So I'll show you guys that, and then tomorrow we have a little brunch with my friends, little social distance workout and brunch. So I'll try and be better at vlogging and show you guys more of that, but just wanted to let you know that it's Saturday. I have not vlogged and the day is basically over, but I will keep you updated. Hi guys, so we just got to Allie's and we're setting up our little workout station in our driveway right now. And then we're gonna eat brunch, so I'll show you guys the whole setup. Maybe I'll vlog a little of the workout, but I won't show everyone if they don't wanna be in it, obviously. But what I'm wearing is just this Free People set. I've definitely showed it in one of my vlogs. I'll link it in the video, but I think it's from their, what is it called? In Movement, Free People Movement, that's what it is. But yeah, I'll link it down below, the color and everything.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
This is so cute. Oh my god, that cold brew is what Maggie and Emma drink.
I basically am. Sitting there, we had a little meeting.
Yeah, wait, I want one of them.
Mocktails.
Yeah, she told me. She's like, I have an appointment with Nick at 11 a.m.
Here's the mocktail.
Want to take one?
Oh my god, I love it.
God,
this is adorable.
I'll take a picture of everything before we do it.
Yeah, same.
DIY
Smells
yogurt
yummy.
parfaits.
Okay, I need a picture.
Okay, so we have mini individual dark chocolate banana breads. We have our little avocado toast bar. Our DIY yogurt parfaits. We have some Greek yogurt, mixed berries, granola, honey, and coconut. Look how cute. And then here, it's bagels, egg, cheese, bacon, avo, and it's build your own breakfast sandwich. This is so cute, Al. Oh, I love all of this.
Like actually unreal.
Okay, so I just want to show you what I wore today. I wore the Free People Movement set. I showed you guys this at Allie's, and I'm just wearing a little gray zip up and my Asics. So it was really cute. Okay, so we only did like a 30-minute workout. It's Sunday today. So Saturday and Sundays are my rest days of all my high intensity workouts that I do because I work out Monday through Friday. They're like a minimum of an hour and a half to 2 hours of working out, and they're just very intense. So Saturday and Sundays I just walk, I get my heart rate up. But today we just did, that's why we did just a fun 30-minute, it was a dance and sculpt class. It was so much fun. So we danced in our driveway. I'll show you guys a little clips of us doing that. It's just, we were being fun. And then I didn't show this, but like we used dumbbells and our mats, and we did some like floor work and used dumbbells and part of the dances. It was just fun. And we honestly burned a lot of calories because Allie had an Apple Watch and it said like we burned 400 something calories in 30 minutes, which was good. Which I know that's not exact because her Apple Watch is set for her, but around that. So at least I got my heart rate up today. Definitely sweat, so I'm gonna go shower now. But yeah, I just got back from the brunch. I showed you guys everything. It was the cutest thing. Allie, if you're watching this, you killed it. Thank you so much. I love you. And yeah, she's gonna come over tomorrow because we are eating like Maggie McDonald for the day. Maggie McDonald and her sister Emma McDonald are two of my favorite vloggers. Love Gretchen Garrity, love Jessica Howell. I know they're all friends, that's why I'm putting them all together, but they're like my favorite vloggers. They're lifestyle vloggers, And the reason why I picked Maggie, no like particular reason, just because she does have a lot of what I eat in a day videos. And I know she's plant-based and vegan. Now I know she eats like fish, so she doesn't classify herself as vegan, I don't think, anymore. But this what I eat in a day is plant-based and vegan. So I'm gonna do that, and that should be up before this video. So if you haven't watched that, it's up on my channel already. But yeah, so we're filming that tomorrow and we're working out together. I'm gonna take her through my workout day. Tomorrow's Monday, so it's arms and back, and we're gonna do a few HIIT videos, and then maybe I'll go on my run tomorrow. We've been doing walks now every day, and we do 7 miles, guys. We climbed 40 stories on my phone. It said we climbed 40 stories, 7 miles, and it was like over 15,000 steps. It was insane. So we've been going on really long walks just around our whole town. We walk to our high school, our elementary school, around our blocks, and we have a lot of hills. So honestly, I've been enjoying the walks more, but I do love my run just because it's like faster. So if I don't have time, I'll just do my run and my walk and get my 3.5 miles in. But I'll take her through my videos tomorrow too. So we have that. And then yeah, I'm really excited to eat like Maggie for the day. And maybe if you guys like this, maybe I'll do eating like Gretchen for the day, eating like Jessica for a day, eating like Emma, her sister, Maggie's sister, for a day. Maybe I'll like switch it up, you know, because I've always wanted to do these videos. So we'll start with Maggie, see how it goes, and then if you guys like them, let me know. Leave in the comments who you want me to do next, because I think it's fun. And maybe I'll start liking different foods, who knows. But honestly, the video I picked from Maggie's, I'm kind of altering it just a little bit, just because, I don't know, I just am. I'll explain it in that video, so go watch that video. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and chat because I was awful with vlogging this weekend, and this was gonna be a weekend of my life vlog, but I always live in the moment and forget to pick up my camera. So today at brunch, my friends are like, T, I know you wanted to vlog this, so don't forget. So I was like, oh my God, I almost forgot to vlog the brunch, guys. I've been awful, but I'm gonna be better. Maybe I'll vlog throughout this week and just make it a random vlog. But I will definitely film a weekend vlog soon and be good at it. But yeah, sorry I'm just being chatty. I'm bored now. Gonna shower, and I'm uploading a video since it's Sunday. And what is this video? Oh, it's just a vlog. It's me unpackaging a bunch of packages and new clothes that I got. Chatting in the vlog. What else? I'm making coffee in the vlog. Nothing really too exciting, just new clothes that I got, so that's exciting. But okay guys, so I just put up a vlog. It was a huge unboxing, fashion haul, chit chat, at home workout routine, and I got a package in from Amazon, and I want to show you guys. I'll unbox it. Okay, so I got my little 2-pound weights, little pink, cute. I like using lightweights for certain things. For dumbbells, what I have already and what I use to work out, I have my 1-pound weights, my 3-pound weights, and my 5-pound weights. And I needed like 2-pounders and 8-pounders for like the light, and then, you know, the 10, the 20 and all that stuff for other things. So I didn't have 2-pound weights, and so I got them cute pink. And then these are definitely the 8-pound, because it's a struggle when it's in the box. Guys, I just turned on the air fryer because it's right over here. It's like my air fryer toaster. I showed you guys in a vlog. But, okay. This is a real struggle. I hope you guys are relating to this right now, because definitely difficult. Okay, and we got 8-pound weights. So we have pink and yellow. All my other dumbbells are black, so these pink and yellow are fun and cute, you know? Throw it in the box. And then, let's get the other one out. Wow. Don't order dumbbells online any more than like 10 pounds, because the poor delivery guy that had to hold this box, I mean, that's 20 pounds with the dumbbells from the box, but like still, they're working their butts off, and all day they're delivering packages, so I feel really bad that he had to hold all of this. But I can't order them in store, you know? We got a little workout of this, guys. I mean, guys, you saw me do a little lift. So yeah, I like using light weights depending on the workout I'm doing, heavy weights for other things. It just all depends. But now I have my 2 pounds and 8 pounds. Those were what I was missing, and they're cute colors. The heck is this? Weird. But whatever. I'm not gonna return them. So yeah, that's what I got from Amazon. Okay, so I am going to dinner with my friends, a few of my girlfriends, because there's outdoor seating. So I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. I am just wearing these AGOLDE ripped jeans, my Valentino white sneakers with my initials on the back, and this one shoulder top from my Amazon favorites video. So I'll link everything down below what I'm wearing. I have my necklaces, hoops. This is all in my jewelry collection, my rings, bracelets. And I just put my hair in a low bun because I just showered and my hair was like wet and down. So I figured I'll just, you know, rock the low bun tonight. And then I didn't even put on any makeup. I just curled my eyelashes, brushed my brows, and put on some chapstick. And I did actually use a little bit of lip liner on my lips, just a little. But yeah, this is the OOTD. And I'm starving, so let's go eat. Okay, so I am on my way. I put on this little cardigan. It's from Brandy Melville, just so later on, if I get cold, I have this. So hopefully I will remember to film tonight when we get dinner. I will show you guys. It's gorgeous. The view is stunning. It's on the water. And yeah, I'm really excited. I'm so hungry. My friends just called me and said it's an hour and a half wait. And it's like 7:20, but it's okay. We'll just get a drink and sit by the water, and we'll order dinner. I'll show you guys the food we get. They have like unreal sushi and seafood. The best watermelon salad I've ever had. We'll probably share the watermelon salad. I don't know, guys. I'm just like jibber jabbering right now. So I will see you guys when I see you guys. I wanted to show we devoured the watermelon salad with grilled chicken. We have our burrata, a bottle of Sauvignon Blanc, and look at this view. That is gorgeous. Look at this.
Hello.
Say hi, James.
Hello.
Look at this view.
Looks so good.
Let's go. It's the okay, so we got 4 aqua frescas. Everyone put your aqua frescas in.
Best
Cheers.
drink ever.
So good. And look at this view, guys. Look at this view.
What is he shooting?
Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say hi. Hi. We're having some watermelon drinks.